First day of a journey. Understand? First day of a journey. For some of you, the first time here at the University of Hawaii. You seniors, this is your last time at the University of Hawaii. I'm an old man. I've done this for 43 falls. And I will be doing it somewhere next fall. You won't. You won't be doing it here. What I'm saying is, I want you youngsters, the youngsters are looking for leadership. If you want to be a leader, show us.
Let's go! Warrior Jacks on me! Ready, begin! Go!
Feet, arms. You don't look at me first. Feet. This drill lets me know who has feet and who don't, gentlemen.
One.
Arms. So go. All the way in. There it is. Hand tight.
Nice.
There you go, Dave. Good. Break down. Pop. Nice.
Roll and rip. Over-exaggerate your technique or your hands on your body. With your thumb down.
Let's go.
Speed. Come on. There you go. Go the other way. Come on. Go.
This way, get back. Do it right.
Let's go.
Get the hands up.
Get out. Good.
Somebody get a ball. Next play.
What is it? Look.
So if we're like that, it's just far right. So if he's up here, it's just triple slot. So this is still the closed side. Slots on that side.
Come on. There they go.
That's a heck of a good start in our journey that we're going to take one day at a time. Nice beginning. Nice first day. Give yourselves 3 more.